me no dwen say fa me ho. Na me wa me pena na me di me kotie na mo di show bi sa aden. It's enough. Because President Mama will not come out and talk. And I mean, so I've been advised to keep quiet. And to the very so, young can someone to me so. Actually, me na home man. Nobody be able to bomb it to him. Adaya, many will be a minimum now. Ebusian for good evening. Good evening. Ebusian for good evening. We patch away a quick answer. I weigh a quick answer. Me cry my phone says na it could be a net 2 TV. And I may say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, I can't send be a me person me babon ten and me be clarify. But your way a quick answer. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong it's a net 2 TV says dimatem can't say ma minim hoshe. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Mr. Me patcho. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please. I am not blackmailing anybody. What is all this? Adena sebe penifu amu betimi aye me papa. Mo temte me sa. What is all this? Dia ya di mini me madudu ai di mini omo mu di mini mi chele what na wo kan. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me interview bi am come life story o. Me free baby na ma pie baby o. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Enye me fiti ya na me be Tracey Boakye o. Na me podan na me wo. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please. I am not blackmailing anybody. Say next time oye be ma lord na mahama bonani so. Don't create problem for me. A+ ni me da A+ oye kwata. Ana A+ ni na ebubu. Ana me a virgin. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me nya virgin o. Virgin. I have sex. I go out. I have boyfriends. Why do you go and sit on your TV and insult me? Why? Obia a video. Go and take your baby. I'm coming. Put this in your mouth. I'm coming. Okay. Obia a video, and you just judge by the video and say all sort of things to me. Sit on your TV. I crack it to me. I want me TV. So I know if I respond to you, people will bring info to you. I don't care. Kennedy Agyapong, me a virgin. I am not a virgin. I date. Of course, me dating me a relationship. But why do you sit on your TV and insult me? I didn't know who did matem. Say stupid girl na chelewate. And so what? After all, chelewate na mission. I am not like this today. By God's grace. You listen to one side of a story, come and sit on your TV and insult me? As in say me your classmate, Anna, you are a big man. I don't respect him. Mommy and continue to respect him. Why? I don't respect him. Mommy and continue. Now you respect him. Do you even have to have time for me? Me, oh yeah, I'm back to say me. Kennedy Agyapong, you don't have to have time for me. I'm a little girl. Me ya crack it to her. I am one of your daughters. You don't have to have me whole time to come and sit on TV and respond to me. What is the meaning of all this insult you are throwing at me? I am not blackmailing anybody. If you were man blackmail you be na me nya now be obe na no say me blackmail you be na me nya no. Me de ni sama ni manyame. Me pese me bodua. Na me fancy boafu me biem because already no dia me ya me guso amepa ho chew. Enti me pese me misbehave biem. Please leave me out of your issue. I am not a virgin. I am not married. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me worry you. And to say me 1,000 in me body. I am not shy of it. Oh, am I still the Tracey Boakye you think you knew me? At least I've made good use of a DNA. So please, whatever A+ told you, maintain free A+, but you can believe it. Leave me alone. Kennedy Agyapong, leave me alone. What is the meaning of I'm blackmailing somebody? My blackmailing of young Tofio or Lakeside. My blackmailing of young Tofio or East Legonamami. Really? Do you think that is how I am? Is it because I've been quiet over this whole issue? Do you think that is how I am? If you are doing your politics, I want to know who did the NDC for attempt that? What the NDC for a problem that? Leave my name out of it. You may day free move. Please. The next thing you will do is say, you have new information, bring me, or new way, or credit to John Mama. Stop, enough is enough. Stop giving my boyfriend credit. Me kasa ya no because me need for NDC. It's me person me responded to BBA. Me wo audio ni me wo video. Obi so wa ofamra. Me da obi a so video. Any audio say me Tracey Boakye. Me dey blackmailing president. Me ofam Brabantin. What are they waiting for? Dear Dre obi bi enti confirm ai. Dear Edwin, Obi Bibia, after the Emmy can say, why do you listen to some story and just come and sit on your TV station and insult me? Why? You just listen to something, go and sit on net too and insult me? Say, me blackmailing President Mahama. Say, Nyanko Pon was on dire. He should strike all of us. The other try to me soon, Mrs. Agrada, crowd boomer. Say, Papa, where was so why? I don't know what do I say, over ever so. Am I your classmate? I'm your daughter. Do you have to even have me whole time to go and sit on there too? Nyangwa Wednesday, Opa, for documents are dear Mabra, and memo money me that I don't care. I am not a virgin, and I did me no me man for so. Me were 29 years. I am proud of whatever I have achieved and the mistakes I've made in my life. I am proud. I am a dasa who can say, Edimi, Michelle what a bomb and ne, Yamia free moon. A command Diobia pain, or Bia or story pain. So please, leave me out of your issue. Leave me out. Nigel Gaze, women and Nigel Gaze in on another. Nigel Gaze, why a pata. Please, leave my issue. I beg you. When you will end this your problem, Dada. Jaja, wo no. Any Lord in Mama, Mama Lord in Mama, show us soon. What have I done? My day. What is all this? Now my boyfriend to home, me relationship. I am moving on with my life. Then you go and sit on your TV station to create problem for me? What is this? Adeng, because the enemy akasa mami kasa biamuno, and nothing just say, Mama Kennedy Agyapong continue the TV so I did my time. I can all sort of things to me. Why? Adeng. Said your mama Jano no for your person or the baby or the baby also the obedient. There is nothing there for obedient. There is no audio, there is no video. I don't have anything to do with the former president. Enough is enough. I don't have anything to do with him. Adeng. Uhe shani man, he said your mama. Me benchra, ni he said your mama. Adeng. You are creating problems for me. Stop it. Adeng. I try to ignore, but the way you are going too far with my issue. What is it? I'm not Tracey Boakye ni tell upon it. Ofi ya na be Kennedy Agyapong. Ofi ti ya na nyamishra wo. Obia was story in life. Everybody has a story in life. And I am proud of who I am today. I am proud of who I am today. Same blackmailia, Nyankopon, ma won shrabi biem. Same blackmailia. Now catch me say baby, papa no, baby your mama di me frɛ be dru say me ya ne sa. Ada ya sisa na me tie. I don't have anything to do with President Mama. Please. I don't have anything. Is it because baby e ko so na ma di na? Because I've been advised to keep quiet. Enough is enough. Ukumi na wunyame nkumi biem. Bopa ni me kume. Ukumi na. Ubasa benyame akumi ochena. And I tell TV so I would do my time san. Why? Adeng. We young back to say me again I will Jeffrey me ho. Leave my issue. Kennedy Agyapong, leave my issue. Obia when the problem. Don't leave yours and come and talk about me. Leave my issue, please. Adeng. And I'm telling bomb it all. What does show on TV? It's in my life, you know. Sako for me topic, Nebra. You are still on TV. Go and bring my topic back. And I'm telling bomb it on Tracey Boakye. Now free Kumasi, me free Kumasi. I'm not playing Agyapong. Now I'm not that form. And I'm stressed already. Madam, your breath for. Said that be also your breath for. Me your breath for. Busa obi oni me. Busa obi oni masantoa from Nkrabre. Me your breath for. But I'm not just me from Penaso so obedi me free. I make good use of employment. Me your breath because I'm dating you. That is me. Me blackmail John Mama, say John Mama, why am I dying? I don't know, Mama Papa ain't having a peace of mind. No one in the campaign. Go and put this on her mouth. I'm coming, okay?
I learned how to carry her.
No, don't carry her. Just put it on my mouth. I'm coming, okay?
I'm not sure how I carry her.
Don't carry her.
Fine.
Good boy. Obi oni mi bia nim how I me ye brefo. Me pa chaw. Me metina wo TV so nkan sam a wonim ho hwe. Because you think you have high security, you are Kennedy Agyapong, whatever. Please. Some misleading grandpa me ma wo ho. No matter how rich you are, you don't feed me. You don't feed me. Aya mama nkra mu ade. Aya mama nkra nketwa emu ade na mo ha dwen. Aya mama nkra nketwa mu ade na obi na aka na asem obeka na no atoma hwe. Aya obi na ahye space. Ebetina TV so kana asem a obeka wa no atoma hwe obi no ye chen. Obi no ye chen wo. Me tis lebo me wa ha no say. Some people are me. Na se wo come wie biem na ade chena basa benya me funu asa akuni biem a adan why do you say things you have no idea about? Video chrono, what is he waiting for? Audio chrono, what is he waiting for? Bring it out. Na mami lodi na tini baby dia wo ye ade adwe na wo de hye mami ni tirim about me. Ade adwe na wo de hye mami ni tirim about me. Wa bra me ni ho hwe. Minim asema wo ken. Minim ho hwe. I have video, I have audio. Jama wo de ba ma ne famra. Share, please oh. Mani so afia hwas me ga na o ma ayo mo so no. Don't bring it to me. And for mama so because me the other can see ye di me. Me so the ye di me no ma make good use of it. I have made good use of a dear ye di me. Kennedy Agyapong. Me fa me trying to show. Me fans, me are very sorry, but this issue I'll not keep quiet. Kennedy Agyapong, Tracey Boakye me channel, me fan to show. I am a dasa walk and what me can say, me free Kumase, me partner Lakeside, my better is Legon, at least. One who say my yebi. Before me 30 years, no masai yebiaka home. No masai I yebiaka home. Said the offer girl Uchiano, Sana Penny will be so family or shame. Leave John Mohammed Slim out. So what's the investigation? Now the Biauka documents I do go a man for any Masia for family diabra. Kwana for family diabra. Who can we have age army? And I feel so who many masse. Who feels so who many masse? Me pa chomi don't me many masse because I know be a here enemy. I am not under anybody. What in that too? Kwasha or I say see, who feels a see an abasha media. Me chow say I can see a kind one. Yes, yet me check crowd. Ya ka say ye kan ye hu bo Ghana ha. Yes, yet me check out yet me check attention ni bi. E hu na ehia. Obi aye ma de. Ma ba bonten, ma beka sorry. The moment you just put it on me because say asem way I've decided not to talk about it. Me say me nkasa. Me wo audio, me wo video nka Nyankopon ko ntua me ka. Say me wo audio, me wo video, me de blackmail John Mama say John Mahama wa toma de no ntua ya na. Papa no, e de no my why me? Ah me blackmailing no, that is my question. Adenti me nsuanya me. Me wo obey ni video say dey am ka ho asem yi e wo ho no ma enti ka me dampa nka metimi ada. Ada yesi me mu ade ana yesi me nsuanya me. Is it because I've been quiet? Me chela what about me to. Anya she, me chela what about me to Nyankopon de mpuntu aba me life ni. God has blessed me. Ena anya she kra no me nje wo ho ni. Me nje wo ho no endi. Na to mo change channel no mo change topic no mo san famra me so. Mo san famra me so. Say Tracey Boakye we share. Bra obetumi awo me tie na me de dawo. Because you can be my father. When you tell me papa only 60 years. Please. You are somebody I respected. Please. Kennedy Agyapong, me count. Don't come and create problem for me. And you protect woman. Don't create problem for me. And you protect woman. Na sebe NDC for mo text me. Mo frame me, mo threaten me for back no the messages at to screen so. Me ni shake 2016 na me ba 1 year. Me took car na man for di mechi. Ama for be gina me wo so ni ebe me because me yekumase ni obuso obi a watonso a o meka che say NPP for meeting me fie ne ye no me na fie watonso me na NPP for hu say na me call NDC meeting na say na NDC for say ye twa ntwa to me so enti omo sumpo na wo se nko omo support me no omo send me text message me se me jai bibia me nyame na se nkie kumi a me ye se me ba kokunku obra eso na mi su no enye Kennedy Agyapong di attempt na mi su eyawa wo makoma mu e ma me party phone ti na mi su enye wo didi atam no ti na mi su na bra me de me kwa to so ma NDC kumasi ni ba papa ya friend say go kofi juma just a man ko di fie sem me twa mo kofi juma na de wa ma me nna metimi akofi juma fie I left these people for you NDC mi jai kumase for ebedi mochi and I must say they more threaten me ni sheka na sa papa we was so wa me see akatua me deserve yon for ma me na akatua obia ne ho dwebo ne won tim so no on for ma no 2016 ye hunu na me mo frame aka cha me say Tracey Boakye ne hunu na did you call me and then they must say me blackmail obi na video call na way audio no away Kennedy Agyapong asema woni memeka bi asema woni memeka bi ti no bi na ho na ka bone ku no bu a no wuka yese wa anyade o hwe anye no eya bone ne ntwa etwa to nipa so Kennedy Agyapong stay out of my problems stay out sani chele bi o hye na Tracey Boakye we share bra you don't feed me you don't feed me ewi asenya wo dia Udi obia tem obia so because of the information beba watch it kwanje me who information never bra some can't tell we asesa me a virgin enti kwaje information na kire me virgin no fabra after all you di me no mama asesa ye di me ne me die na wo feel say wo gu manim ase no mama asesa o nyame ehia me Nyankopon wa hira me wo was ka dan makrampa you don't feed me me share with aminim wo e mommy did to say gata so ni bi please e mommy did to say the won we are next level we deny your baby fato please what is that aden me wo audio me wo video wa hu me audio wa hu me video say John Mama Jan no fan come the other man or the manner mesumede the other man the beba you are wrong all information where you have failed I don't have any audio and any video about anybody President Mahama minini ni hweye minini video minini audio minye Jimmy for video no say no obi anko dem a business no recording video say obi nya wo mpena na one ne kwa dem a business no recording video Eti John Mama onya me mpena no senya no manya the video that is my question onya me mpena no ebe senya no manya the video ebe senya no manya the audio aden asema ba ya kan anu atumunti wakotena na tu wash shirt wash space minti na jare betena wasa kofie kwada o why you not putting it in the mouth okay, I won't shout again. Why? Go and take care of it. I'm coming. Call him with my phone. Hurry up.
What's phone?
My phone never on. Fafren.
But it doesn't.
Fabra, let me be.
Okay, but
Kwaje me ho paper. Docket ma. Never better now so Wednesday nyame boa ne kasa. Kwaje me ho documents. The ones you think you have. And I'll be on a foolish girl. And I'll Aden. Oh, it's already opened.
oh yes, I was just watching video with Tinshi the whole time. Because he's my best friend. Best sister.
That's it. Call him and tell him you're waiting for him. Foolish girl. Uchele ta talk for na initial now. And I want nam Kumase and I plus D1 A plus. And I know disgrace Hana. And why obada na so wa be ka kire wa e ya achievement ana ugu me mani ma se me de e na me ka na nya obi ayire ni mi o edie enya ni ngwase o wa so na aka ye edie enya ni ngwase o so obi ye me ho ade na obi ni me koda eno na obetumi aye de wo ye no na plus ni koda ni ko be blackmail no mi jai me nyame A plus ni me koda ni ka me ko blackmail no enti A plus anfa ma me na makonye obi fufura wo hwe me no eno e say de eno no e say den e ye den wo kan ye no wo ye den wo gu Tracey Boakye ni ma say na wate me nkwa na so what me nkwa na so ana why den e den na wa achieve in what you said foolish girl ni den there woni me minimum what is all this yenya wo na de bia de obi atem yenja wo ye kan no asoma manfo no obopa yenya wo na de obi atem me pa cho mini obia ni mini president Mahama ni hweye mini obia audio mini obia video I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. Nyame be tua me ka if I blackmail anybody because nipa no onya me hwe. I don't have problem with the former president. I beg you. I respect that man so much. Me papa na sem I respect him and somehow more can meet me to be na me hwe but na ma mene because you say ma me nkasa biem. To the extent say uko tuna TV so didi matem. Said the other baby a money from a foolish girl, Menasi Chele. Share Menasi Chele cry a Yankopon as a Sammy Shebre. Menasi Chele Chela. Kajapon, Yankopon was a Sammy Shebre. Chele Chele no Yamia Yimia Frimu. Send Yankopon ball berry as $1 go home, boy, and now the IS are now the enemy. And to the Sika or Hosa, and Caho, me patch me free baby, na be pay baby, me na me pen abanesao. Me pono. Time I will come asem me na me pen na me man ne ba ne sao me na maso den and ye de me two kwan se me ntina better na ga no because this is how I want my life. This is how I want my life. My friend will be so chop money da minim wo anyway e ho da minim wo I've not seen you before. You just come and sit on your TV and insult me for what? Because you and some of social media. What's your one side? And Kapenimu Sebe, Katia, the other side is Susan and Kajeji. You just listen to something, you just come and sit on your TV and insult me. I said, I'm your classmate. I said, I'm no air politics. I crack it to a number how to me. I won't know. I didn't also want me whole time. I didn't also dream me. What dream me? Who are calling me whole story in your really? Me Pacho, please, I'm making this clear. Men blackmail obia. Se me jina kwa hu na nya start o me fia e me life. Dia me pe na me de me body no eye. Dia me pe e na me de me body we no eye. Isha papa text me log off please. Aden. What is it? Has she stopped crying? She's asleep, okay. Thank you, eh? I'm coming. Matthew, I'm going off. Please, I came here to make things clear. I am not blackmailing anybody. Mebano, Papa, I have decided to keep my relationship private. And you will be pressure. And you will be Coca-Cola TV, I did matem. And I remember my private life about one thing. I have decided to keep my private life to myself. You can give my baby to whoever. And when you're in Guasie, yet then Yamia say, Mebano, me call off, I'm going off. Mebano, on your bastard. She has a father and a very responsible father. Leave Agyapong and this woman problem. Deal with it. And family me fra. Opejo, and the opejo mama, so open mama said, it's me now, me very cheap here. Me pacho, leave me out of it. Leave me out of it. Leave me out. I know how dirty you can go. If you are nigga see so koko you said it. Leave me out. If you are going to be a winning kakra, me yoba. Leave me out. Leave me out. And remember money me aden nyina amfa listing bro. Omo nyina ka chom so omo hu me omo timi hwe me tutu. Omo hu me abuso omo timi hwe me. They are super proud of me because nyame adom omo ja me no. I have moved on. Me ex-boy ben so was catch me. Me ex-boy ben so why ye chair me. Nyaminti me nkofom bi mu da because I dream papa wo mitim. Me dream ni pa ho adwen bone. Bema ben no se oni me dating post oni ma dating ampa. A oni me agya ya me ya santo a wo hu me a makofom. Me si nyaminti me nyam boda me nkofom da. Enti nyame boa Wednesday metwen. Fa wo list bra de obeba be kan no no. Dia wo ya no omo ma di amanfo na ade ba Niger na yesofo me nya sofo me sister list no de ba na bi nkan kra me de dia aka be kan ho no edie nya be ma papa no ndu ne hwe ne de edie ye den. What is that? Mo frame no or TV so didi matem. Didn't you see it? I did attempt to come from me home. The problem Kennedy Agyapong is trying to create between me and the President Mahama and the please me blackmail obia. I have not blackmailed anybody. I have not blackmailed anybody. Me fa video ni audio command dem man video ben audio ben e wa hen. Die nsem yakwa akodru nti video ni audio bi wo ho na e maaye. Die nsem yakwa akodru. Ana na munya papa no ma nya ne campaign. Aden ana munja papa no me ni obi anya ntokwa na me se papa no a. Aden ti na mu kofa President Mohammed ya be hye ho. Aden na mu ka mo yesa. Because papa no mo kana won kasa enti obi a pese obi asam to papa ne so aden because the man will not come and talk the piano mo de kwasha no mo fa ne picture creative art for nyina wo ha me ne papa twa ye nyina mako fa beto mo go papa na ni ase aden. Why? To the extent of going on TV to insult me say me tell what any den why? Kennedy Agyapong me di watam da my bow dim poda. Instead na also unya me whole time cut now with TV so did matem. Why? Oh yeah, me na come on atum. Obi to was party Tracey or video Tracey or audio me phone here. Obi am from my phones and share some video ni audio. Na video cry no dem person me can say. Obi nya won pena. E se na na kodem akonya video. Obi nya won pena. Obi nya won pena business na won na de odo ho nkoma record no. Na busa say me the video ba bonti sesi ana menya de. Empo se video wo ho ampa na me de ba. What will I gain? Enti me se menya panimu se me pena ni obi ampa menya panimu a wo hwe me ma no na makọ blackmail no. Me de me nyanso. Ha she working now? Oh sorry. Me de me nyanso. Say I'm pampo se me ni pani bi dating now. I will never do that. I will never ever do that. Blackmail for what? What video? What audio? What is this? What audio? For you to sit on your TV and insult me. Obi awadi obi die. Bring a different topic. So we'll throw obi a shower. I'm going off, please. I'm going off. Ufro obi a shower ni obi a wadi obi ne die. Jai kan fa bibi foforo bra na die die enye news wa me life mu. Fa bibi foforo bra ene edi me no menya akobolo. Ye di me no menya akobolo. Me dia ya de papa. Ye di me no ma amoka. Enti uko fa list ba. All these people will be proud of me because ye di me no me dia de papa. Ye di me no ma amoka. Ma amoka. Ni pa join ne ho a wona Facebook anu akọ na tu na ne chele wote bi na hwan me chele wote won share chele wote da mo ye penifo ni eguma mo me nya saa. You should stop this. Stop it. Now job dey anu ya sofo abi ni mo ya sofo enti wo kan mo meka bi o. Me am not under anybody. And you be ayere me. I am not under anybody. I don't lose anything. I don't lose anything. Kennedy Agyapong, men count. So we ye be ma me sister Dina pa na sum. Ne to pese ma me no join sen fa me ho. What problem are you creating? O pese ma me no join sen fa me ho. Na me wa me pena na me di me kotie na mo di show obi sa aden. It's enough. Because President Mahama will not come out and talk. And I mean, so I've been advised to keep quiet. And to the very so, Bian can someone to me so. Actually, be me na man. Nobody be able bomb it him. Adaya, many obi a minim no na war. May blackmail obi. Adia who ye? How do you want NDC people to think about me? What percent this for? I'm doing same mommy. Some me blackmail you, I'm a flag bearer. Really? Really? Okay. Video chronic, audio chronic, Emra Bontio, na me homete, Emra na me home Tommy. Me say, wow, me video, bia, bring it out, I dare you. Wow, audio, bia, bring it out, I dare you. Enough is enough. What video? What audio? Away. Baby, I'm saying I can't control video ni audio. Away. Me the man from any from our TV station so. Me from any from our TV station so. You don't feed me. I'm from any from our TV station so. Me from any from our TV station so. Please. Abusia for me call. Young boy Wednesday on for listening, right? Say me twa no me say me virgin. Me dia me nya virgin o. Me je me hu bi me yeso me de ja de papa. Me moka. Ena say ka wa besre me. Ye di dia no wanya. Aden A+ ne da. A+ ne why die no blackmailing na one first scam. What is that? What is that? Na A+ ni me ada no one first scam me mpa. Wo na wa no so. Wo na beba beka. Wo na ye de agyaw. Wo na beba beka. Nano aye nimguase A+ oye ba fine na A+ oye ba fine ana A+ ne nan twitwa na A+ onye nipa na aden obi da bia wo na abeka ye da ye the camera si ho ana ye record it kiro da bia obi da wo na wote because you pay money. But leave me alone and do your show. Leave me out of your issue.